It's a day of high drama at the murder trial of Muzzammil Hassan. Good evening. Is the case against the man accused of beheading his wife moving toward a mistrial?
The case took a striking turn as both sides presented their opening statements today. We learned today that 3 jurors have been excused, opening up the possibility of a mistrial. And it doesn't end there. Dramatic testimony filled the courtroom today.
News 4's LOREY SCHULTZ has been updating our newsroom and WIVB.com all day with up-to-the-minute information from the trial. She is live with the latest now from Erie County Court. Lori, quite a day.
Yeah, Don and Jackie, dramatic for sure. You know, the courtroom was packed mainly with members of the media, law students, and lawyers who just wanted to be there to observe. As far as I could tell, there were no family members or friends of the defendant or the victim in this case. But, you know, as the trial goes on, that could change. But here is what happened today.
Asia was bringing him clean clothes. He met her with 2 hunting knives.
Opening statements began with County Prosecutor Paul Bonanno telling jurors that the evidence will prove that Muzzammil Hassan lured his wife Asia to her death and desecrated her body with 2 brand new hunting knives.
He stabbed Asia in the back, in the head, in the chest, and in the hands, altogether more than 40 times. And then he took those hunting knives and he sawed Asia's head off.
Asia was beheaded nearly 2 years ago in a case that shocked the world. The attack occurred inside the couple's Orchard Park TV studio.
The more than 40 stab wounds and the beheading took only 47 seconds.
In his opening remarks, defense attorney Jeremy SCHWARTZ didn't deny Hassan killed his wife, but he claims he did so because he feared for his life, thinking his wife had a knife after allegedly threatening him earlier in the day.
When Mo and Asia met in the dark, she reached into that same purple coat that she was wearing earlier in the day, and Mo snapped in one of the most fearful moments of his life.
SCHWARTZ claims his client unleashed his emotions after decades of abuse by his wife. Prosecutors say she was the only victim here. She was killed 6 days after she filed for a divorce.
She threatened him at knife point on more than one occasion.
She was the one with everything to fear and every reason to flee.
And Lori Schultz again live outside the courthouse. I just want to remind you that I've been posting live updates on our website as the trial goes on, so check those out. One of the things I mentioned was that we learned today that 3 jurors were excused. Basically what that means is that if 2 more are let go, there could be a possible mistrial in this case. No talk of that right now. Currently, Miles Hairston, my colleague, is upstairs. He's listening to more testimony that's going on, some of it very graphic.